The global tax controversy landscape is evolving and it's polarizing. Geopolitical issues are unstable, governments want and need more revenue, and taxpayers are dealing with uncertain issues almost everywhere.
There's more demand than ever on revenue authorities around the world to collect tax, and that's putting increased pressure on that and driving their activities.
The tax world is very complex and even is more complex today than it was like a decade ago. Clients want to do the right thing, but it's not easy to do the right thing because the rules are complex and they are supposed to be coordinated, but in practice, tax authorities take their own perspective. They have different interpretations.
Tax authorities are also getting clever. They are getting more tools, more anti-abuse provisions.
Increasingly, audits are across borders. Taxing authorities are sharing information often automatically, and so there are no longer audits and exams and disputes purely in isolation.
Tax disputes tend to be more and more international. A routine audit starting in one jurisdiction can quickly span over several jurisdictions, or at least trigger questions and investigations in other jurisdictions.
On top of uncertainty in the current position, it's uncertainty about what's happening in the future. How are tax managers managing their internal stakeholders? They need to manage their shareholders, their board, the CEO, all of the people in the organisation and outside of the organisation that have an interest in the way that this company is operating. And that's a very difficult thing to do in an uncertain environment.
New issues are coming up, novel issues that are uncharted waters for the clients, for us, and for the revenue authorities. And there is no playbook.
When you're dealing with a tax authority, there's far more to managing that relationship than just going through a process to litigate a matter. You have to understand what drives them, and that's often more than the money.
The Jones Day tax controversy team, especially on the IRS side, is unparalleled. In terms of its experience with governments, we have 3 attorneys that have combined over 60 years of experience litigating cases on behalf of the IRS. Virtually every single transfer pricing case in the United States in the past decade. And that is valuable to clients, and it provides useful and unique insights into how the government works, why they try cases, what motivates them, and how you can resolve them.
We work across our practice groups, so we're able to pull in the appropriate professionals and lean on our colleagues in other areas. By seeing the bigger picture, we're able to help clients resolve issues in a way that is conscious of never resolving successfully an issue in one jurisdiction that actually creates an issue in another jurisdiction.
It benefits clients that we are everywhere and that we work well together. When we call someone in Asia, they will jump on it on the spot.
So when a client picks up the phone and calls us with an issue, we can really tap into that global network and figure out who's the best person for the job.
We are a real true global partnership, which means we can focus on the real issue, which is the client's best interest.
We rise and fall together. And so what's important is that we get the right people, get the right result, and truly provide service to our client.